common problem that I've come across since we've started remote learning is with ThinkCentral. And sometimes the students will tell me that they completed an assignment that I gave them on ThinkCentral, but it's not showing up as completed on my list when I go into my computer. So I did a little bit of digging around, and what I found is that there are a couple little mistakes that they have been making along the way that result in it not being turned in as completed to the teacher. So I'm signed in as a student right now, and when they click on the things to do, you can see that 11.2 is something that I assigned to this student. And when I click on it, it says in progress, but the student thinks that they're done. So I'm going to click on this. So I'm seeing it as the student would see it if they went back into their...
How can you classify triangles?
So they need to click across the bottom of the screen.
Triangles based on, let's classify a triangle.
And I'm just going to click through it.
By the lengths of its sides. Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
So this is the first place that the student has to stop to do work. And they need to click on this orange whistle. And a couple things could have happened here. And something I always tell my students is that when you do your work, you should be checking your answer, moving on to the next one, checking your answer, sorry about that, checking your answer, and turning it in. And then,
now try your homework on your own with the personal math trainer. It includes the exercise you saw at the beginning of the lesson.
Some students don't even realize that they have to then click on this one to get to more problems. This student already did this whole thing the correct way and turned it in. So let's go back and see what happens. And now you can see that it says completed next to 11.2 instead of in progress, simply by making sure that I turned it in and checked my problems. I'm not really sure whether it comes from the not checking the problems or the not turning it in the right way. So I just tell my students to make sure to do both to cover all of my bases. I hope this was